skateboarding chaos has met with community love, and the result is Freebies. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. After a bumpy early access launch, skate fans are now getting a sweet apology from EA Games and Full Circle in the form of in-game freebies. Players have been vocal about bugs, glitches, and frustrating progression locks in San Vansterdam, and developers are responding in style. Between now and the start of Season 2 on December 2nd, everyone who logs in will snag 2,000 ticks, which are the seasonal currency, and 500 San Van bucks, which is premium cash, giving skaters a little boost to smooth over the rough launch. Full Circle addressed the chaos in a candid blog post titled Dev Update 2025, in which the team said, "Making skate is a balancing act between delivering fresh content, improving the player experience, and addressing your live feedback. Some fixes happen on the fly. Some take longer, but we've committed to improving, growing, and evolving the game with our community." Developers didn't shy away from admitting the challenges, including soft locks, progression blocks, task issues, and currency balancing. Each problem is being tackled in its own way, and players can expect the game to improve throughout early access. Meanwhile, the game's seasonal events are keeping the momentum rolling. The spooky Skate-O-Ween celebration is winding down, but skaters can gear up for the Maple Harvest event starting November 18th and running until the Season 1 finale on December 2nd. Skate is available for free on the PlayStation Store for both PS4 and PS5, giving skaters a chance to shred through San Vansterdam with a little extra cash in their pocket. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.